When Huskylens sees a person without a mask, a cross is shown on the micro:bit and then the buzzer will sound. When it sees a person wearing a mask, nothing is shown on the micro:bit and the buzzer doesn't sound. Let's take a look. No sound, nothing on the micro:bit. Now take note that the mask is a bit colorful and Huskylens has not been trained to identify colorful masks. That's why the Huskylens is a bit confused. To train Huskylens to identify persons wearing masks or not wearing masks, we need to press on the function button to dial it to go to object classification. Okay, then we press on it so that Huskylens forgets all the previous learning. So now is the time to train Huskylens to identify mask wearer and mask non-wearer. For learning object 1, we train Huskylens to identify black mask. We press and hold on the learning button on the right. So now we can adjust the distance as well as the angle so that Huskylens learn the black mask from different angles and different distance. And after that, we press one more time on the learning button so that for learning object 2, we that Huskylens to learn white mask. So similarly, we press and hold on the learning button and adjust the distance as well as the angle so that Huskylens learn the white mask from different distance and angle. Then for learning object 3, we let Huskylens to learn a person who is not wearing mask. So similarly, press and hold on the learning button and adjust the angles and the distances. This is the code. So on start, initialize the Huskylens I2C until success. Then after that, the algorithm is object classification. Then for the ID of the object classification, the first ID, I rename it to mask. Okay, the second ID, I rename it to mask, and the third ID is no mask. So you can actually rename the ID rather than 1, 2, and 3. Then I request data, or the learned data, and save it into the result. Then when the Huskylens see a frame on the screen, it would check whether or not the ID 3, which is no mask, a person not wearing mask, is on the frame on the screen. So if there is a non-mask wearer spotted on the screen, it will show a cross on the micro:bit, and then the buzzer will sound. Otherwise, it will clear the screen. That means it will clear the cross, and then it will stop the melody.